Oh,
Huh?
you're stupid.
Why?
You're stupid.
How?
Stop yelling at people. Still, Tarzan the monkey man his balls on the tree and then he fell and then he hit his nuts on the ground. What a collision! Whee! I nearly went and did bird poo. Yeah. I know, guys, I haven't uploaded nearly a week.
6 days.
Yeah, 6 days. And yeah, now
Guys, if you didn't check out my video, I changed my name to Fat Flying Cat Story.
Yeah, I know, they know.
Fat Cat Story.
They'll probably already check your video. Did you upload it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's my vomit.
No, that's bird poo. Yes.
It's ice block.
No.
Then why would Blaze be eating it?
Because you can't come on here.
Yeah, but why would she be eating it? Are you going to do anything for your vlog?
Then are you going to do anything?
Yeah. I'm trolling this little kid.
Oh, he looked.
It's a shame. What? Aim your camera over.
No.
Is there someone in a blue shirt? Oh, yeah, there
I
is.
know. They're looking. They're peeking. Go say Tarzan again.
Tarzan!
I shouldn't be looking over there. It's really obvious. I shouldn't be looking there. Oh, she's trying. Wait, she's trying to get it. Go. Wait, here, let me record. Is Tarzan looking?
It's not actually Tarzan.
Tarzan. There's a man. Oh, should I yell Tarzan?
No, I'm not.
Here. Wait. Quiet. Okay, the bird. Take it. Fine. He actually got bird poo on his shirt. Oh no, it's raining. I have to put these under my shirt. Hold up, but then they'll turn blind. I know. Come on.
Are we going
Under here. Shelter. Right, you guys can see again. You guys had bandages on. Get off the car. I know this is going to be boring, guys and girls and gals and guys. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. Nope. Don't wet my phone. Oh, relax. A bird. Oh. Tarzan. Dun, 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 dun.
Let's go. I'm going to